gosh. This cat, he's the man. Well, I mean, he's a cat, but he's the man. Check this out, guys. Come here. Come here. You gotta see this. You gotta see this. Underneath this cup is the second mouse that he's caught. Yay. But because he's toothless, he's not hurting him. He's just kind of like carrying him around. So I'm gonna try to take this guy outside, far, far away outside. But yeah, oh my gosh.
I had to run in and wake Cory up. He was napping while Chell's napping. I was reading a book and I hear this like scurrying in the kitchen. Cory got it all handled. Pucky's just like, okay, back to normal everyday business. This might be the only trait he has that is truly cat-like. Oh, hi little mouse.
See him?
He's all wet. He's slobbery.
Just water. No, it's, well, maybe slobber, but I just grabbed this out of the sink. It had water.
Oh, there you go.
All right, let's take this guy out.
Go, little guy, go. And he's gone. The wind kicked up a little bit and lifted a little flap and he jumped out and I was like, oh, there he goes. A little bit close to the house. The house is right there, but I guess still far enough away where he's not gonna get in right away. Man, what a thing to wake up to. I am so surprised at Loki. Like, I never thought he would be such a good mouse catcher, but yeah, he's a cat, he should be. Sparta, on the other hand, is a good mouse watcher, I think. Well, I'm awake now. So today, I am going to tear all of the bushes out of the courtyard, which sounds a little crazy, because it is. It is warm outside now. It's, I think it's like 60 degrees, maybe 50 degrees. So I'm gonna get to work. That's what I'm talking about. These bushes over here, they're just really big and bulky. Our house is beautiful, but I just feel like it's, you know, it's, I don't know, it just makes it different. Different in a way that's not really us. So I'm gonna pull these out and essentially turn them into really beautiful something else's. We haven't really figured that out. Ooh, what was that? I have no idea what just happened. Did you guys hear that? I just heard something go like really fast. And I have that was weird. Please tell me I'm not crazy. That was so weird. You know, it kind of sounded like maybe it was just like a bird flying by really fast. It was like the I don't know, like the air was like whipping on itself, like. Anyway, the bushes. We're gonna get rid of all the bushes and replace them with some like really pretty plants or something. Plus I think removing these bushes will bring in a lot of nice light. These rose beds suck anyway. Well, garden bed, rose, what do you call them?
They're definitely not rose beds. They're like weed grass beds.
They're weed beds. Still, I cannot get over what that sound was. It had to have been a bird. Weird sounds, just weird sounds.
I was in the kitchen and there were the strangest sounds coming from outside and I was like looking out all the windows and I did the same thing you just did. I was like, oh, it must be a bird because otherwise I'm gonna be really freaked out. We must have some sort of ninja birds or something. They're like crazy stealth bombers, like you don't hear the bird until it like flies past you. I don't know, Penny. That's weird. God, is she really still sleeping? Yes. She's such a good napper.
I know.
That's
I could have been napping right now too.
You could have, but your cat caught a mouse.
I know, he's awesome. I've been taking these power naps during the day because it's really good for your ADD. Actually, last night while I was working on the office, I was listening to this this TED Talks about people with ADD and different ways to like improve your ADD, to help and all this stuff. And they said like lots of little naps through the day is a really good thing. And it does help, like creatively. Like I take a nap and I think about what it is I want to do and then I wake up and then I do it. It's not really that I'm tired, I don't know, it's just like an extra boost of energy. What's this pregnant dance you got going on here?
It's just a little chilly. It's not really cold, but I'm just keeping the blood going.
Oh yeah?
This is also how I dance at clubs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Want to see how I dance at clubs?
No.
Oh,
yes. No, I want to see.
No.
Everybody else wants to see.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, you just
they
spoke
do.
for them.
They do. Look at all the
right,
people.
Let's do this.
What are you doing? Why are you That's a different kind of club than I'm used to.
You said clubs, and so I just went club.
I don't know.
She's itching on the bush.
Yes, she is. Smart, really.
You think she's happy or something?
Yeah, I think she is.
Do you think spring is coming?
Oh, maybe.
I mean, it is like the middle of winter, I think.
It's a false spring, I think. It's supposed to get warm this weekend, but still winter.
She's so dirty.
I went upstairs to get Chell from her nap, and we come downstairs, and there's a huge pile of bushes in the front yard. I cannot explain to you guys how excited I am to have these bushes gone. I feel bad for taking them out because they've probably been here for a very long time, but it's gonna make our house seem more like a home to me. These bushes, they're just so formal, and our house already looks formal, but we're not formal people. It just does not match our personalities. So we're gonna put some stuff out there that goes with our family a little bit more. You see the horsies out there? You see horsies and you see Dada, two of your favorite things, huh? What? Get him! Get him! Get him! Yes.
I want to see how it looks.
Ooh.
Have you looked yet?
No, not yet. I'm shocked that he's already gotten the bushes out so we can go see how it looks. But let's see. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at this mess.
It's so messy. Oh jeez.
Wow.
No, that is like
Crazy.
a huge difference. It just feels so much more open in here.
Yeah, wait till we get the flowers in.
Oh, I know. We have these huge windows. They're beautiful, huge, like floor to ceiling windows, and now we can actually look at them.
Plant some flowers.
Just gonna say right now for the record that I love Cory's ADD. Like, I attribute his ADD to how things get done sometimes. Earlier today he was writing music, then he took the Explorer to the shop to get the brakes worked on, and then when that was done he took my Mini Cooper to get an oil change so I can drive it more, and then he came home and worked on music more, and now he's pulling out these bushes. Like, when this dude gets motivated, he just does all the things. All of them. Oh, this is the side that I'm really excited about the bushes being gone, so I'm going to show you guys the before over here so you can get a picture of what it actually looks like now compared to when he's done. So you can see, like, again, beautiful floor to ceiling windows, and then there's just bushes all at the bottom, all the way across. So it kind of blocks the light, and it's just not as attractive from the inside, I think, to look out. Plus, from Chel's height, all you can see when you look out there is bushes and your reflection, but mainly bushes, and Penny too. Exactly. I love this dog a lot, and I love you a lot, and I love the kitties a lot, and I want you guys to be able to see out more than just a bush. Doggy, yeah. Look, you see Dada working? Can you see Dada? See, right now she can barely see over the bushes. Yeah, he's out there working. It's actually kind of perfect weather for this.
Yeah, it is.
It's not too hot.
Hey, I was thinking about it. The only issue we're gonna have taking these bushes out is in the summertime, the sun's gonna beat on this window. So what if we get like just a nice tree that sits up high enough for the kids to see out?
Yeah.
And has like fruit.
Blocks the sun. Yeah, that might be nice. One of my best friends from high school is actually a landscape architect, and I keep thinking that we just need to have him come over and help us decide what to do. I have in my mind what I want it to look like, but actually transforming that into reality is a whole nother story. Taylor would also be able to tell us like what types of plants, and if we did do a fruit tree, which ones would survive here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm off. You having fun in the fort? Whoa, careful. What are you doing? Whoa! You wanna try? Run! Yay! How's it look? Is it way different?
Yeah, I feel like taller walking through here.
Oh yeah, the ground is so much lower.
Yeah, it's like you can see out really far.
Yeah.
But it's the same for us, it's gonna be more for them.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Wow.
Hey Chell, come see! Look, you can see outside. So much easier. You can watch the horses and just look at all the stuff outside now. Chell and I are headed to a fun party this afternoon. I'm so excited. She's undecided. She's actually sitting in the back watching Moana right now because we are already here and we have about 20 minutes before it starts. And I don't want to be that early. I hate being late to events, but I hate being super early and making people feel awkward. The place we are headed is actually the Girl Scout office here in Tulsa. The reason we are here is because one of the ladies who has been working at Girl Scouts for I think 23 years is retiring. And she's a great friend of our family's, and I've worked with her a lot when I was a Girl Scout, so I'm excited to see her and wish her well. Chel's gonna like it, I swear. She probably just wants me to be quiet so she can watch her movie. I just realized that I was wearing our house key around my neck. If you go back like 8 seconds, you can probably see it. It was that purple lanyard that Shell had on yesterday. All day today, she'd come up and be like, trade necklace? So I would let her wear my necklace and I would wear the house key. And before we left the house, I forgot to trade her back. I'm not gonna wear a house key, like, to this party. I mean, I could. It wouldn't be that unusual, but I'd rather not. We're in the party and Shell has found the tiny speaker that's playing music. She won't leave. Dancing machine. What do you think of their snacks, Joe? The crackers and cheese and zucchinis, which are yummy. Maybe cucumber, actually. The cracker for me? Thank you. This is the Girl Scout cookie team for Tulsa, and they got Kathy a present. Yay. So these ladies handle all the Girl Scout cookies that come into eastern Oklahoma. It's a lot of cookies. They're so cute. We made it back home. Chell pretty much went straight to bed after we got home. She was exhausted, all that dancing she was doing. This guy has to be exhausted.
Very exhausted.
All the bushes are gone out there.
Yeah.
It looks so different out there. Tomorrow morning we'll have to show you because it is a drastic difference.